Finding the location of pet urine can be challenging. Small pets can access some hidden or remote parts of the home. Fortunately, there are devices that can make this task much easier to perform. A pet urine detector is essentially a handheld flashlight equipped with ultraviolet LEDs, or a UV filter, that illuminates the phosphorus and proteins in urine so you can see them in the dark. These tools use no harsh chemicals, and the UV light source isn't harmful to the eyes. They simply illuminate potential sources of old urine, allowing pet owners the opportunity to remove it completely. In order to help you make the right choice, we have selected and reviewed some of the best pet urine detectors, which are most recommended by professionals and field experts. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in the description. Number 1. Vanskye Blacklight Pet Urine Detector. UV flashlight helps detect food stains and pet urine stains on rugs, carpets, and clothes that are otherwise invisible to the naked eye. It is perfect for outside use such as finding scorpions and minerals. It should be used with standard alkaline battery. It has durable, high-quality LEDs. The 51 tenacious UV light LEDs have a lifespan of 15 years. It has ultra-compact design. The pocket-size UV flashlight can be carried along to detect stains in your car or illuminate minerals and body art. Number 2. MorePilot Blacklight Pet Urine Detector. MorePilot Blacklight flashlights help detect food stains and pet urine stains on carpets and clothes that are otherwise invisible to the naked eye, suitable to look for scorpions. This portable mini flashlight is well made with high-quality water and shock-resistant aluminum alloy, making it strong, durable, and long-lasting, easy to heat dissipation. Special texture designed to prevent sliding, reduce the danger of dropping. With 12 engineered enhanced LED bulbs, its 395 nanometers flashlight is 30% brighter than other lights. The UV light uses batteries. Its black light is small and powerful, measuring 3.7 inches. You can take it everywhere in your pocket, which is so convenient if you need it. You will save a lot of time and money with a portable UV blacklight flashlight. Check whether the hotel sheets and pillows are clean and so on. Number 3. Angry Orange UV Flashlight. The blacklight flashlight can be used in many ways, including identifying dry stains and dog urine, paired up with carpet cleaning and odor eliminating products to maximize the benefits. It is small and easy to stow away. This blacklight flashlight can be used at home, or you can take it with you on the road, easy to keep in a kitchen drawer, backpack, purse without taking up any space. Imagine being able to breathe without smelling it. These black lights are a simple and effective way to spot dry pet urine stains, to clean up and remove any lingering unwanted smells. The handheld UV light is an innovative tool to help combat the presence of unwanted particles. These multi-purpose black light flashlights are great for any dog owner. Number 4. Fukui Woods Lamp Pet Cat. Cat ringworm is a highly contagious skin and mucous membrane disease. It is not only easy to infect cats, but also easy to infect people. However, cats have multiple skin problems. Use these products directly on pet skin. If the skin fluoresces, it is cat moss. When exposed to the product, when the cat owner is not sure whether the cat's skin problem is a ringworm, if the cat grows ringworm, the affected area of the cat will turn green under Woods light. This basically confirms that the cat has a ringworm. The lamp, specially designed for detecting cat ringworm, can easily detect whether your cat has cat moss. Built-in lithium battery plus charging indicator, USB fast direct charging, strong compatibility, fast charging, convenient, safe and practical. It is very compact, can be carried in a pocket, and has a waterproof design. This is the best gift for pets. Are you worried about your pet hiding skin diseases under the hair? Buy it for your friends and your health. Number 5. Lumens Hooter S3 UV Flashlight. It has the power upgrade that a 365 nanometers flashlight so badly needs. It has 3 LEDs. Its powerful scorpion flashlight black light can reveal the stains or fluids which are invisible on the floor or even grass. Its blacklight torch utilizes optical lens, purer light color, and clearer image of dog or cat urine stain. Its super bright light is brighter unlike other cheap LEDs. It works really well for finding minerals that fluoresce under long wave light. It can be used for finding dog urine, dry stains, searching scorpions, and detecting AC leaks.